Hey, what's up, guys? Today, just a little quick one. We got a 2022, let me step back, Can Am Outlander 570 XT. This is going to apply for every Outlander. So, with the newer mounts for the cluster, you have this clip, and then you have one here, and a long one up here on the top. They don't like to sand, especially for us when we're constantly taking them off, putting them on, off, on, checking fluids, doing maintenance, repairs on them. It can be a real pain, and these tend to just fall out. And so as you're riding, this is sitting like way low. You can't see your speed, temperatures, nothing. Easy fix. So what we're going to do is, I've already drilled them. You take this off. Just notice this new hole here and this new hole right there. Take it, drill it out, and then let me grab them. We're going to take two long zip ties. I'm using, these are like, I don't know, 12 to 14 inch zip ties. I'm not sure what size they are. But what we're going to do is we're going to funnel them down through there, up, back out, and cross them. One over the top here, and one over the back here, over this plug. And we're just going to tighten it down. And that way this will stay in always. And if you ever need to remove it, all it costs you is the price of a zip tie. It's like 2 cents. Easy, quick little tip for you guys today. So thanks, and on to the next one.